Hello everyone, let's try to create this slide. If you like it or like more content like this, you can go to channel and always find it. Let's see how we can create this amazing blog slide. Okay, let's try to make it. At first we need to create these shapes. I will create one of them for you and then you can create all of them and I don't waste your time on it. Let's see, we create a new slide here, blank one. Okay, it's not important. We insert two shapes. It's important. The first one is a rectangle and the second one is also a rectangle, another kind with round edges. This is, and after adding that we simply select all of them and make them union. Now your shape is created for this thing. Then you just need to align them and create the shapes unit. If you think about that, you can do that. Let me just copy one shape and see how we can create them. After creating this shape, you need to do what? You need to create these two texts. They are two texts. I simply recommend any font you like, but for the shape format, use this thing and then text them white. It makes them good edges. And then this thing, it use Overdrive Sunset font that I tell you how to install it in one of my videos. You can find it, how to install the fonts. If you don't want, you can find it in the net. After that, we select all of them and make them to be like one group. We group them for better movement. Then we just simply need to copy all of the slides like this. We copy all of them and paste them here. You see everything has been copied. Now for this text I use this formattation, but it's so gross. Because of that I'm going to use this thing. I think it must be better. It's better. Then I'm going to copy this slide, and before copying I'm going to set the transition to morph and then copy that. Okay, copy that and then bring it to front. First one, easily each slide I'm going to bring something to front. But before that, you highly guesses that we must delete this thing. Okay, let's look at this video picture. It's good. We copy that another time. Okay, it's not giving me access for copying. It gave me access. Let me just copy that. We bring the 2 number up. You see, I make a little mistake. What mistake? I make a shape a little more little than it should be. But it's not important. I can always use I will make it to work well. Okay, it's 3-1, and for the last one it's also easy. Okay, let me just bring it up. Everything is good now. Let's run it and see the magic appear. If you like content like this and the tutorials, you can like and subscribe and find more of this video in my channel. And please don't forget, if you have any question, ask me in the comments. I will answer you. Until then, bye.